to make such a beautiful paint storing palette at home. So for that, if you can see, I've taken 2 bottles and this big lid. We'll use the big lid later on, but this bottle I will cut it from this side that you see. So with the help of a blade or a knife, you'll have to make a cut exactly at the neck end of the bottle. So like this, I will make a cut. This will take some time, so be patient. And once you are done cutting that bottle part, the bottom area, okay, the other bottle lid, you will have to attach it. So I will just remove that ring part that they have, and I will just keep the plain lid at the bottom. Now this plain lid will have to be stuck at the bottom, else it will come out. So for sticking this lid portion, all you have to do is take glue gun, and not on the cover but on the place where you will be attaching the cover, you will add the glue in a circular motion like this. So make use of hot glue gun because this secures it from even leakage, which is quite good. Once you are done sticking the bottom portion, that's it, your case or lid for the paint is ready, the paint holder. So just keeping this aside, this is how it looks. We'll get the others ready. So this is our collection, and here is that plastic base. Now this is basically a lid of a big plastic box, and I am using it for keeping my paint bottles or paint case. So this will form my paint palette, the ones where I can store my paint. Now to attach this to the lid, I will just paste on the area where I had used glue to secure it, and I will just press it down on the lid, on the big lid in this way. See that you all keep little space in between so that you can cover the lid of the paint case that you are making. Once I am done sticking it all the way through, we'll just go on a fast forward mode of the sticking that I'm doing. So this is basically to show you all how it looks once it's stuck to this lid. And that's it, our storable paint case is ready. Now here I'm making a holder for the paint brushes. So I'll be sticking this here again with the same concept, using glue gun. Just push it down towards the lid in this way, and that's it. And now I will just try closing the covers of all these lids or the cases that I have made. Doesn't it look cute? If you have similar colors, don't worry, just add an alphabet on each of the lid. So now I'm just opening the lid and showing you, like say suppose you have this paint tube and you need to store this particular paint which you use quite often. Simply add the paint into this case that you have made and store it. Now I have not added the paint because I want my daughter to do the honors of this paint palette because I have made it for her. And the place where I have made to store your brushes, you can just keep your brushes or any additional items that you have in that. And here this middle area, middle space that you see will be used for dipping our brushes into water. The middle portion where you put the water to dip your paint brushes and remove the paint needs to be changed so it will not be stuck permanently. And this is how our reusable paint palette looks. Quite presentable, right? Then please do leave in your comments, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe.